How to hide posts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide posts on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's go to the search bar and type in Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Instagram is currently up to date. So for my page, it says it shows an open button, so that means that my Instagram is currently updated. However, if it shows an update button on your side, that means that your Instagram is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you'll be updating your app and have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to hide your posts on Instagram. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is up to date, let's just head on and open Instagram right here. And to scroll through our posts, we should be at our profile page. So to do that, just go to your profile page by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And you should be at your profile page. And to hide a post on Instagram, just click on that specific post to open it up. So for example, I'm going to hide this particular post over here. Once you have opened that post, just click on this three-dotted button at the top right corner of the specific post. Click on that and simply click on archive over here right below allow remixing options. Click on archive. And as you can see, it is now hidden from my feed. So to access that or to unhide your post, if you want to do that, just click on this 3-bar icon and click on archive over here. Click on this drop down menu, click on posts archive, and you can see the hidden posts you archive right here. Just click on that, click on the 3-dotted button, and if you want to unhide that, you can also click on show on profile over here. So that is how you can basically hide posts on Instagram. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.